Once upon a time, in a small village named Sunshine Valley, there lived a group of animal friends. There was Rusty the rabbit, Fluffy the squirrel, Benny the bear, and Coco the fox. They all lived together in harmony. Every day the friends would gather near the big oak tree at the center of the village. Rusty loved to tell funny stories. Fluffy would collect nuts and berries. Benny would do his clumsy dance, and Coco would show off her clever tricks. One sunny morning, the friends noticed that their colourful flowers were starting to lose their colour. Worried, they decided to go on an adventure to find a solution. They followed a path through the woods and crossed a babbling brook until they reached a magical waterfall. The waterfall's guardian, a wise old turtle named Tessa, greeted them. She listened to their problem and said, "To bring back the colours, you must each find something that represents your unique friendship." Excited, the friends split up to search for special items. Rusty found a sparkling pebble near the river, symbolising their shared laughter. Fluffy discovered a shiny acorn, representing their unity. Benny stumbled upon a feather, reminding them of their light-hearted dances. Coco uncovered a prism that reflected beautiful rainbows, symbolising the joy they brought to each other's lives. With their treasures in hand, they returned to the magical waterfall. Tessa placed their items in a crystal bowl, and with a sprinkle of water, the colours of the flowers began to return, even more vibrant than before. The friends learned that their unique qualities and close bond were what made their village so special. They celebrated by organising a grand picnic for all the animals in Sunshine Valley. And from that day on, their friendship continued to grow, making their village a place of happiness and harmony for everyone. And so, in the little village of Sunshine Valley, the animals learned that friendship, unity, and laughter could make even the dullest days turn into colourful adventures.